I'm going to share with you everything that I packed for my 14-day Everest Base Camp plus 2 passes trek. I packed the essentials, tried to pack light, but brought a few luxury items as well. I'm carrying my Osprey day pack with me, and the guide is carrying the Eagle Creek Duffel. Okay, so these are what my 2 bags look like packed up. This is the Osprey 65-liter Aura AG, and then this is the Eagle Creek Migrate 60-liter duffel bag. So I'm going to open these up and... Alright, so let's start with the Osprey. So here's the backpack, and this is the Osprey Aura AG 65 liters. And wow, I tried to only pack essentials with me in it. I will update you at the end of the 15 days. If anything I wish I didn't bring, what I wish I did bring, but for now, this is everything that I do have with me here. So let's go through it. First thing that I really like about this backpack is the back support. So I, for reference, am 5'6", 130 pounds, and this is the small medium backpack of this size. I really love the hip support, the adjustable straps, and also this space for the water bladder to sort of pop in. I have my Life Straw water bottle filter, which is really great for filtering drinking water while traveling. And I have a cap from Mahna, absolutely essential because the sun up here at elevation is not joking around. On my hips, I keep handy my hand sanitizer, my Drunk Elephant sunscreen, and then I also have hand warmers. Haven't had to use them yet, but we might. And then on this side, I have a little packet of wipes, because the thing is, most of the bathrooms, almost every single one, will not have toilet paper. So, and you're not going to be showering because the water is icy cold, and you basically like won't dry, and that's how you catch a cold at elevation. So be prepared to not shower for 2 weeks. So that's why wipes will be your best friend, and little tissue toilet paper packs. And yeah, so that's what I have on my person. And let's go ahead and open up the sides here. I bought this little flag which I liked, the prayer flag. Out here I have my poncho, packable poncho. I have a bandana. As you can see, the other thing, bandanas are essential. There's this thing here called the Everest cough. Everyone who hikes up to Everest gets this cough from like the dust and the cold and the elevation. So as often as possible, because it's so dry, you want to try to moisturize your lungs. Breathe out of your nose as often as possible and cover the breathing passageways so that you can create moisture, essentially. Things like honey, absolutely essential. And then on the other side, I have headlamp, rechargeable, essential, day hike first aid kit from REI, and that's it. And now, the top flap. So up here I have my sunglasses with this, and polarized sunglasses. Another essential up here, you're so close to the sun, and when we get to the snow, that's when you can literally burn your eyes from the sun. So polarized sunglasses, and I got this strap from REI, which I really like. I brought snacks from home, protein bars, Go Macro bars. I basically brought enough for every single day. I brought some grass-fed beef sticks, just because you're basically only going to be eating dal bhat. And we've also been having like eggs and toast for breakfast, which is really, really great. But I heard as you get into higher elevation, you only want to stick to the most popular and common foods, which is dal bhat, which is rice and lentils and vegetables and potatoes. And also what I really love is everywhere they have lemon, ginger, honey, tea, which is great. And I brought my little reusable mug, just the little things. I also bought this like Boost Oxygen. My friend Elizabeth, when I went to her wedding in Colorado, gave to me. I never used it there, but I was like, well, when I was packing, it's like, may as well I have it. It's like an oxygen booster. And now let's open this up inside. Oh, I have my hiking poles, like super lightweight hiking poles, adjustable height, so I can either use it or clip it onto my backpack. I have here this water bladder, which is really great for taking like small sips of water, which is what's recommended instead of chugging in the mountains at elevation. Like as you're hiking, continue to take small sips. And then most of my outfit, I was just gifted all of this from Revolution Race, a Swedish outdoor clothing lifestyle brand. This jacket is from them, like lightweight quality layers. Basically in my day pack, I just have layers. So I have this Prana half hat, and also this bandana is from Prana. This hat is from Uniqlo, and then, oh, this was like from going to the store. Essentials, toilet paper, and baby wipes. And then this is my wallet with like personal information, passport, stuff like that. This is a traditional scarf that our guide Lakpa gave us at the airport. It was amazing. And then I have this other like neck gaiter by my friend Rachel Pohl. I've basically been alternating like the bandana / neck gaiter I've been wearing. And then in here I have my rain jacket. So this one's from Prana. I really like that it's adjustable, like you can adjust the hood, zip it up, and also adjust the waist. And I can trust that Prana's products are quality. Oh, also essential is to make sure your backpack has the rain cover, so if it does rain, you are covered. I also have gloves in my day pack, and then a natural mosquito spray. It's lemon and eucalyptus. Haven't had to use it yet. And then these crampons for the bottom of my boots, and that'll be for when we get to the snow and ice and higher elevations. And let's talk my outfit. So these are the hiking boots I brought. They are Teba's Vibram Soles Gore-Tex. I'll include a link in the description of the video. I've been super happy with it. Look at that traction. It's lightweight. I love the ankle support. I found the key with these boots is to tighten it but leave it a little bit loose so it's not suffocating your ankle. And then for the outfit here, I have these hiking pants from Revolution Race, socks from Revolution Race. I like that it has so many zippers. Like I can just keep my phone here, secure it, pocket here. And then an essential for hiking is pants that have an adjustable waist, because your weight's going to be fluctuating so much. Like it's already baggy and it fit me well before. So like these are great because you can adjust the fit. The Space Lighter is silk, I believe, from Uniqlo, the vest. And then I have my Smart Wool sports bra. And back to the backpack. Also in the backpack I have this Patagonia packing cube with just like a pharmacy of essentials. I have this solar powered charging port, and then I have this sleep mask, which I don't need for the day, but it's just how I am. Travel sport. And then the other things I have here in here are like alcohol wipes. I have a full medical supply kit, so like for period cramps, nausea. I have this diarrhea relief for intestinal pain, traveler's diarrhea, which I actually had to take tonight because I had a steak last night in Namche Bazaar, which you should not do. My stomach hurt. Stick to the Dalvat. Lesson to self. Yeah, basically essentials like feminine products, stuff like that are in here. And that's everything in here. And now I'm going to show you what's in the duffel. So here's the duffel, and I'm going to show you what's in here. So for this trip, this is basically all technology, gear, gadgets. I decided not to bring my camera, which as a photographer was very shocking for me, but I just wanted to be as in the moment as possible for this trip. Carrying a 7 to 10 pound camera Canon R5 setup was just not realistic for me, and I want to sort of be like more in the moment. So I brought my iPhone 15. I have my Apple Watch Ultra, AirPods, and then I have like all of the according chargers and gears, and absolutely essential is the universal charging block. And then, yeah, just like all the chargers, and also a spare pair of sunglasses, because you don't want to mess around with like fake sunglasses here, because the risk of your eyes burning is very, very real. And then I have another spare power bank. So the charging situation has been that each of the tea houses as we've come have like common areas where you can charge. The rooms do not have any outlets. The rooms are just beds, and so the common areas you can pay, it's like a couple dollars to charge your phone for like an hour. So we've been doing that. And then I have my REI sleeping bag right here. I've had this one for 3 or 4 years. It's a 20 to 30 degree Fahrenheit sleeping bag, and I've been perfectly comfortable. It's been dropping below freezing at night, and I love this sleeping bag. And then we were given some high altitude tea by the locals yesterday at our Tibetan massage, which was so nice. I have this Vera Bradley packing cube with my self-care skincare essentials, so eye drops, moisturizer, toothpaste, face oil, hair oil, soap, stuff like that. I have in here. And then bars and snacks. So I brought, and I strongly recommend protein bars. So I brought one enough for each day of these Go Macro bars. And then I have things like teas in case of like stronger medicines, so like not natural ones, for like things like diarrhea or cramps, cough drops, and then essential oils, and just like supplements, some Orsigmatic like mushroom powders. And then this is a spare like whole bag, little like day bag. And then this is a Aloha Packs packing cube, and in here I have a bar of soap and also deodorant from Bravo Sierra. I have loved this brand. I have baby wipes. I have more beef from my friend's mom, my toothbrush, and then I also have more wipes in here. And this is my REI day pack. Originally I was deciding between using the backpacking backpack or this one, and I decided I needed more room, and I also like the support of the backpacking backpack. And in here I have my sort of like spiritual practice of this spiritual care journal and this book, the Chinat Han, the pocket edition. So those are in here. And then these are basically all feminine hygiene products, pads, tampons, in case my period started out here in the mountains, which is supposed to any day now. And then a lightweight microfiber towel, and I also have a face towel version of this. These are great because they dry very quickly and they're lightweight. I brought it if I was going to shower. I don't think I will. And then I have these Patagonia packing cubes, and inside of them I have socks, underwear, and face masks. Also bring earplugs because the dogs go crazy at night and they don't stop like the village dogs. And so that's socks and underwear. I have these, so I only brought 2 pairs of shoes, my hiking boots with that, which I showed you, and these Teva sandals for camp. So basically, like, once I get to camp, I take my hiking boots off and I put these sandals on. And then the rest of this is all just like base layers, basically, of clothes. So I brought like 3 day long sleeve shirts, 3 short sleeve, and then like the long sleeves are, this one's smart wool, and I have like 1 set of clothing that I'm basically keeping like dry and clean for nighttime. So like after I do my like baby wipe body shower, I will change into my like set designated like dry clean clothing. And then I have like my Viore joggers and a pair of leggings in here, and the Viore joggers have been my like night pajamas. They're super comfortable and I love them. And then this is the last packet of clothes. So I picked this up in Bokhara, It is a fuzzy like neck scarf, which I've been wearing to sleep because at night it's freezing. These places have like no insulation. And then I have this Revolution Race. It's basically like this, but like a full jacket. A lot of Smartwool socks. I brought 5 socks. Smartwool and Revolution Race. I have this Patagonia fleece, which I haven't worn yet. Sure I will as we get higher elevation. And then I have this REI silk base layer, which my idea was I'll wear it under my hiking pants as we go higher elevation, gets colder, or at night if it gets really, really cold. I haven't needed to layer up on pants yet. I've been comfortable. And I have a umbrella, spare poncho, and then the last thing that I have in here is snacks. So let me tell you my lifesaver on this trip: liquid IV. Wow, liquid IV, essential. Every single day I buy a water bottle, which unfortunately at some points, like I have my life straw, but I can't put the powder in my life straw, so I do have to buy bottles. And I will put this liquid IV in it. The electrolytes are essential. They're replenishing. They're a must. I have one for every single day. And then I have more of the protein bars. I have one like backpack meal. Oh, and these nuts I picked up at Target, they're amazing. It's like, oh my gosh, cashews, coconut macaroon flavored almonds, semi-sweet chocolate, dried coconut. It's like a little luxury item. I've been having a handful every day, and it's like a little dessert. It makes my heart very happy because I learned that dessert is not really a thing when the foods are like necessities. I picked up a couple more hand warmers just in case, because Namche Bazaar is the last place where you can there's populated civilization where you can pick stuff up. I got these Compeed for heels, like a heel sticker band-aid just in case. And I have this life straw, drinking straw, also as a just in case. I haven't had to use those, but yeah, that's everything. So yeah, that's everything that I packed for my 14-day Everest Base Camp plus 2 passes trek. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. This has been a magical journey already. It's day 3, and I will check in at the end and let you know if there's anything I wish I brought or could have gone without. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. My name is Mahna. I'm so grateful for this life and for this journey. Now I'm gonna go read and journal and have a tea and just soak in these insane mountain views. Let me show you what I've been looking at while filming this video. Like insane, absolutely insane. Feeling very, very grateful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.